back again, and today we're going to be doing something different.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got Play-Doh in front of us.
Yeah, Play-Doh.
And in the other video, I told you that we're going to make something out of Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So this is the other video. So this is the video that we're going to do it now.
Yeah.
So we've got some foam beads to play with, and we've got some glitter and some slime, as you
Not
can see.
slime.
Yeah, as you can make it, as you can see. So yeah, Ali, pick which color you want.
You was putting my hand with me.
Pick which color you want, please. Okay, you want that one? I'll get it. Here you go. Okay, I want.
Don't open it.
You guys, which color should I
Can't
get?
open it.
Should I open it?
You just broke it.
No, it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna pick this color. Red. Red's my. It's a bit hard to open, so that's why I have to use my teeth.
I know.
Ow. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait. Stop everything. I forgot to say, make sure you like, subscribe, and smash the notification button. And I dare you to smash the
Button.
notification button with your with your eye.
Yeah, with the eye.
With your eyelid. Basically,
Actually,
close your eye and try to do it.
No, Virgin, no.
If you did, comment down below. So let's get with it.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to open it.
The hair teeth in now.
Seriously? Why is this mixed? That was hard.
God damn.
Oh my god, it feels so nice and soft like slime. As you can see, my brother mixed it. It's still okay. Still got a nice texture.
But I got like
It's a tiny bit hard, but it's okay. So, Ali,
There you go.
calm down. Okay, calm down.
No. I need to poop.
So basically, what I'm gonna do is.
No, I need that for a second.
Okay. You don't say second. I need that, please.
No, I need that. I didn't start it.
I was just telling
A little bit hard.
you guys. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of glitter. I'll show you what glitters we've got.
I want golden.
That's my slime.
I'm golden.
Yeah, okay, I am. Okay, also I made this slime 2-3 days ago. It's got some foam beads in there, and it's also pink, my favorite color. Second favorite color. So we've got blue glitter, it's half. We've
Because
got
I finished it all.
we've got orange glitter.
This is purple.
We've got purple glitter.
That's blue. This is
And we've
purple.
got gold and yellow.
Not yellow.
Okay, which do you want this color?
Golden.
Okay, this is gold. It's a bit hard, so that's why I had to open it with my teeth. Please, when you open, please don't hold my mouth. You guys, this.
Okay, no.
Nice idea.
Yeah.
You guys, I cannot open this. Mom, can you open this, please? Oh my god.
Why does that have to happen? You know.
Okay, here you go.
Hey,
I'm gonna put
No, I'm
tiny.
gonna
No, Ali.
I'm gonna put some.
No, I'm gonna do it, Ali.
Oh.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna put tiny bit.
I'm
I'm gonna put the Play-Doh. I'm gonna put the glitter on the Play-Doh.
onto the.
Ali,
I'm
Ali.
not.
You guys, I'm gonna put it in 3, 2, 1. Stop it, Ali. Ali, stop. Ali, stop it.
Yeah, let's mean this.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit.
That's
That's enough. And where's the lid?
The lid's there.
I'm blind. Okay, I'm gonna choose purple because it's my third favorite. Oh, that was easy to open.
I can see the golden coming out.
Okay, I'm gonna put tiny bit, as you can see.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, look at that golden. Look at that golden.
Okay.
My golden is good.
That is okay. So let's mix. I don't think it's gonna mix in properly because this is kind of purple and I've got purple glitter. I don't think it's gonna quite mix, to be honest.
This is hard.
I know.
put it back in.
Okay, get another Play-Doh out.
This is golden. I need to do more golden.
You guys, comment down below what
Sushi.
shape should I use? Because I've got like a little teddy bear,
No.
a little
Bum bum.
doggy went to the toilet. Okay. My little brother went to the toilet, and we've got.
I didn't.
He just come back from the toilet,
I didn't.
and we've got a little love heart shape,
I didn't go to back then. I didn't go to
and we've got a dinosaur or shark, red shark, and we've got tiny little goofy little thing. I don't know what it is, but a crab. So yeah, and this, as you can see the glitter a tiny bit. You can see it. So now I'm gonna add a tiny bit of foam beads. They're nice and green. Gonna add. Okay. I'm gonna use that much. Just that much. This is so hard to open, isn't it? It's so hard. I don't think this is gonna stick.
I can't do
They're
it.
really sticky.
I can't do it, Mom.
Ali, can I open it? Ali, let me open it. It's so hard, guys. So I'm just gonna, this is sticky.
This one.
This is sticky, and I'm just gonna put it everywhere. Okay, that's enough, I think. Because if I put too much, it's not gonna fit in the tub.
Ginger.
Okay.
You get big toffee now.
There you go. Okay.
Watch this collapse.
So we'll see after we've mixed. This is taking so long.
It isn't taking so long now.
It is.
It isn't.
This is.
No, it isn't. Look what I made. Look how I made.
You guys, you can't even see the foam beads that much, but at least we tried. Okay, forget all of this.
Look at mine. Squish it down. There we go.
Let's just use the heart shape. Okay.
There's all the colors here.
This heart shape is gonna be all for my subscribers. I love you, fans. Okay. So let's put it in. This is so hard. Okay. First, when I took it out, it was so nice, but now it's gone like. Okay, this is for you, fans. Okay, now I'm gonna make a teddy bear. This looked like my teddy bear when I was just small. I'm gonna make this for my mom and dad because they've been so kind to me. Yeah.
Look, I'm making this for my mom and my dad.
Okay, that came out really good. Let's pull
Look
it
at
out.
this coming out.
Oh, wow.
Sister,
That
look.
came out really good.
Hey, sister.
Wow. I have got a name. Now I'm going to do a little puppy one because I really wish I have a dog. Oh. Let's do it. Okay. That's pretty good, I guess.
This is not
Well,
coming
that
out.
landed. Okay, now I'm going to do this goofy old thing. Goofy looking thing. Okay.
Look at my tail. My tail.
Okay.
Tail.
3, 2, 1. 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna take it off now. Wow, that looks just like it. But like, it's got a big nose. It just looks like my little teddy. Wow. 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 So what I've made so far, a little puppy, a little heart, and a little teddy bear. And this is goofy thing. Okay, now I'm going to smush it all up. And let's go on with my slime. Ali, do you need some? Do you need some? Yeah.
I really.
No. So now come to my slime. What I made 2 days ago. It's got a nice texture to it.
Can you stop making
So
questions?
good. Okay. Let's check it out. This is so sticky. I added too much cream to it.
You didn't.
Too much lotion.
No. How?
Okay. This is what it looks with the foam beads in. It looks so nice. I really love it. Let me bring it forward.
I don't love it.
I love it.
I don't.
Let me make a shape out of it. Where's the heart shape? Ali, can I use that for you? Okay, let me make a teddy bear shape first. Let me put that just like that. Okay.
Now I'm making the dog. Doggy.
Okay. That did not come out really good. But from the other side, pretty good. Okay, let's take that out. I think that's gonna break.
Good.
Yeah, it broke. The fuck came off.
No, I didn't.
How dare you?
4.
Okay. This slime is the best slime I've ever made, but it's quite sticky. Comment down below and I'll tell you how I made it. I got some Elmer's glue and I got activator and mixed it all up, and I added pink food coloring. Then after food coloring, I put in foam beads. Then I put cream in. Then I put a tiny touch of water. Then I think I added too much cream. That's why it came like this.
Teddy bear.
Can I use the hot one now? Yeah. For my fans.
No.
The fans love me, not you. I'm the main person in this.
And me, excuse me.
Okay, and you. Okay. Wow. Wow. I said no offense. Okay. Make sure you subscribe.
It looks nice here. It looks disgusting here.
I know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notification on. Oh, I said that wrong, didn't I? Oh, I said that wrong. Sorry, let me start all over again. Make sure you like, subscribe, and
turn on the casing.
You said it's so cute. Okay, and press that notification button.
And turn on the casing.
Okay. And we're gonna pack up now.
No.
And the next video that we're gonna make is gonna be all about cooking. We're gonna make beautiful cupcakes. Make sure you stay in touch. Bye.
No, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.